Hi, it's Trevor from Monster Hobbies with our latest model car kit. Check out AMT's 1965 Ford Galaxie 500XL model kit. Look at this great retro box art, just like a sales brochure from 1964. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Inside the box you get an authentic 1/25th scale 1964 Ford Galaxie body, detailed chassis with specs on the real car, an easy-to-install engine plug for the chassis, interior tub with bucket seats molded in place, elaborate dashboard and a steering wheel with a molded-on steering column, a flashy chrome parts tree which includes grille, rear bumper, rear insert, and wheels, clear and transparent red pieces, beautiful Firestone tires with white walls, water release decal sheet featuring Harry B's Traveling Barbershop, 1964 license plates and headlights, as well as other body details, and metal screws and axles to put your car on the road. The easy-to-follow instruction sheet makes building this model kit a dream. This is the perfect model kit for the beginner modeler or someone who just wants a quick weekend build. Watch how easy it is to put this model together. Push the steering wheel into the dashboard. Put the shift lever into the hole in the center console. Drop the dashboard into the interior tub. Set the windows into the roof. Locate the finished interior to these 4 posts, just like this. Add the rear taillight bezel to the body. Press the taillight lenses into the bezels. Insert the chrome wheels into the white wall tires. Stick the metal axle into 2 of the wheels. Place the engine plug into the chassis just like this. Slide the metal axle into the suspension holes. Bury the axle into the other 2 wheels. Install the front and the rear bumper. Combine the fender spears with the body. Screw the chassis to the body. Now you can attach your water slide decals, and the instructions are on the back. Isn't she a beauty? Wow, that model car went together in 16 easy steps. This would be an ideal model kit for birthday parties or as a take-home party time activity. You can also detail it with your favorite paints and chrome. Click this icon to get it now or find it in our merchant shelf down below.